Static on the radio, city lights below. One more night, one more run. Green machine rolling through the rain. Every mile earned, every scar remains. The signs blur past, the highway calls my name. I'm chasing something bigger than fortune or fame. The clock keeps turning, the danger grows. Every road I travel, nobody knows. Tonight I run through the fire and smoke. I won't stop, I won't break, I won't choke. The city's alight and the streets unfold. Every chapter written in silver and gold. Roadblocks waiting, red lights flash. One wrong move and it all could crash. But I keep moving through the endless noise, making my own luck, making